is for Amai.
A is for Ambuya.
A is for Apuro.
B is for Baba.
B is for Bere.
E is for Bete.
C is for Chechi.
C is for Chibage.
C is for Chikoro.
D is for Daffy.
D is for Demo.
D is for Domasi.
E is for Ehe.
E is for Epuroni.
E is for Era.
F is for Farah.
F is for Foshoro.
F is for Fura.
G is for Gata.
G is for Gate.
G is for Gudo.
H is for Heti.
H is for Hove.
H is for Huni.
I is for Ego.
I is for Inwa.
I is for Ingwe.
J is for Jamu.
J is for Jongwe.
J is for Juzi.
K is for Kama.
K is for Kamba.
K is for Katsi.
M is for Mango.
M is for Mari.
M is for Moto.
N is for Namata.
N is for Naya.
N is for Ndege.
O is for Oma.
O is for Ombera.
O is for Ona.
P is for Pani.
P is for Pepeta.
P is for Peta.
R is for Rara.
R is for Okwe.
R is for Ruva.
S is for Seka.
S is for Sekuru.
S is for Sima.
T is for Tafura.
T is for Tema.
T is for Turo. U is for Usavi. U is for Uswa.
U is for Uti.
V is for Vaka.
V is for Vana.
V is for Vise.
W is for Wachi.
W is for Wairesi.
W is for Waya.
Y is for Yambuka.
Y is for Yero.
Y is for Yokati.
Z is for Zai.
Z is for Zino. Z is for Ziso.